Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to show you and teach you how to level your beat in FL Studio. So in other words, I'm going to show you how to balance your beat in FL Studio. So I'm actually using this particular beat. I've just finished making this beat. So I'm going to show you how to balance your beat in FL Studio. So this is our sample beat. So the first thing you're going to do after making your beat is to link your beat to your mixer channel. So our mixer channel, this is our channel rack. Our channel rack is where we laid all our sound. I'm going to show you. So this is all our sound. I'm going to preview them a bit for you. So this particular sound, we link them to our mixer channel. So this is our mixer channel. So our mixer channel is labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so forth, and infinity to infinity. So you can see it. So depending on the number of instruments you have. So the number of instruments that we play in this particular beat is 1 to 10. Like I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these 12 instruments that makes up this particular beat, I'm going to link them all to the mixer channel. So let me show you an example from the scratch. So I'm going to remove all of them. So let's take, for example, this is how I made the beat. And I'm going to show you how to link all the instruments to the mixer channel. So when you come here, you right click, you drag up, you put it on one. I'm going to put this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to put it, the number 1 instrument is on channel mixer channel 1. So if you watch here, you see this blue will begin to highlight. I'll put this on mixer channel 2. You see it's moving. So this one goes to mixer channel 3, mixer channel 4. So I'm going to do it to all the instruments. 5. I'm going to put this one on 6. I'm going to put this one on 7. Put this one on 8. Put this one on 9. Put this one on 10. Put this one on 11. And put this one on 12. So we have all our instrument linked to all the mixer channel from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm going to play. So once I play, you see all the instruments begin to indicate. So what I'm going to do is to highlight. I've already arranged to highlight all the instruments here, and I'm going to play them. So you can see all the instruments are already here. So now that you have linked all your instruments to your mixer, the next thing you're going to do is to ensure that you're going to do the word leveling. What is leveling? So we have faders here, all mixers, even in the traditional mixers, we have faders here that has faders like this where you can balance all the instruments. So the first thing we're going to do here is to highlight. I want you to press Ctrl on your keyboard, right click on your mouse, and hold and drag to highlight all of them, and you're going to bring them down all to what? To 0. I'm going to bring them all to 0. So at this particular time, I'm not going to be hearing any sound. So you can see I'm playing it, I'm not hearing any sound because all the channels are down. So if I bring up this particular volume level, you see sound will come up. If I remove it, it's not playing. If I bring it back on, it will be playing. So what we're going to do, we're going to take them step by step. I'm going to be choosing all the instruments one by one to level up the instruments. So I'm playing now. So I'm going to be bringing up the second one to ensure that they're on the same level. To put them on. So as you can see, this particular second one is too loud, which is the snare. So what you're going to do is to ensure that no instrument is louder than each other. So where all instruments are going to be sounding almost on the same level. So make sure you listen carefully and make sure you bring out all the volume to almost the same level. It's fair here, so again, too loud, bring it down. have instrument on here. So you're bringing to bring them up until all the instruments are sounding on the same level. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, comment the next video you want me to do on the comment section. Then make sure you subscribe to this channel, so whenever I post a video like this, you continue to get notification. And also we have a free Telegram class where we post regular videos on music production and how to be good in your music production tips and tricks. So the link of that Telegram class is in the description below. Make sure you join that Telegram class right now. So we'll continue with the balancing. So guys, if you listen very carefully, you discover that the sounds are sounding almost equal, and there is no one that is louder than each other. There is no one that is louder than each other. Then after you have done your balancing, so ensure that your sound is very, very balanced. So anyone you perceive that is not enough or is too poor, all you simply do is to go back to that particular section instrument on the mixer and bring them up. Or if you feel that it's too loud, you bring them down. So guys, for me to recap this particular tutorial, I'm going to recap this tutorial. So remember how to level or balance your mix. Remember that I said the first thing you need to do is to do what? Is to link all your instruments to your mixer. So you can see the way I linked all mine. I linked all my instruments to all my mixer channel. So all my instruments are here. You can be able to title them as well. You can come here, title them. You can call this one kick. Or if you don't want to title them, you can as well. Another shortcut for you to bring your mixer to all the different channels for you to know them is just come here, select Control plus right click, or Control Shift. If you hold Shift, you can be able to left clicking them individually to select all of them. But the quickest shortcut is to do what? To press down your Control button and right click. All of them will be highlighted. Then you come to the mixer. Starting from number 1, this is your number 1. This is your number 1 here. Since all these ones are highlighted, just come here, right click. You see route selected channel. Route selected channel starting from this track. Right selected channel. So the shortcut is yes. Say Shift Control L on your keyboard. So once you click Shift Control L, they will all. So if you're using your mouse, just come to channel routing. Then click this. You see all the instrument will automatically appear here and their names. You see their names. So since I'm already used to this, usually I don't do this, but all I simply do is just link them another because I'm already used to it. But for you who are learning, as you are learning as a new beginner, you can as well use that to know all the different sections of your instrument. You can as well title them your kick. Can just your kick, like the kick is already here, the snare, the hi-hat, this to know all the different instruments that you are balancing, to understand to know all your different part of the instruments you've used in your project and you've played. So pretty much, then after which, remember I also told you that you're going to bring down all your volume faders. These are your volume faders. I'm going to bring them down. I'm going to do it again, so that you understand it very well. So right now I'm going to follow the whole process for you to understand the balancing again. So I'm going to bring back all the volume. I'm going to right click. I'm going to be bringing them up to their fitting level. So starting from the kick, then the snare. So then I like it to be too low. As you can see, it's too low here. As you can see, it's too loud. So we're going to put it in a level whereby it's not too low and it's not too loud. It's balancing with the kick. So again, better here. Again here. So guys, this is pretty much on how to balance, and this is how to pretty much on how to balance and level your mix in FL Studio. So if you want to learn how to mix and master your mix, this is balancing is also part of the mixing, how to add effect to your mix. So there are also learn how to make beats from beginning to the end. Check the link in the description. You're going to see some other videos I've already made that showed you how to make beats from the beginning, how to mix and master your beat. So guys, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you get notification whenever I upload videos like this. Also join our free Telegram class where we upload regular videos on music production. All right, see you guys in the next video.